activity for option like guidance, futures, and students' possibility, etc. Number two, critical thinking. ChatGPT can also assist students in developing their critical thinking. Number three, brainstorming. So, first section on how to approach a topic for the help in the gathering information. Next, personal development, goal setting, self-improvement, and emotional well-being. Time management, more effectively by providing reminded schedules, to-do list, etc. So it also assists in the homework assistant. Students can understand difficult questions and concepts while doing homework. It can help students in translations, definitions, and practice exercises while learning a new language. Exam preparation. So it can also get information like sample questions, competition exam, etc. Students can use as a writing assistant, punctuation suggestion, grammar, writing feedbacks, proofreadings, etc. Research assistant, ready research work for guidance, quick and reliable research.